This is elevator 1 at the Buhl Building in downtown Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. It's a thyssenkrupp traditional mod by Marshall. Has Aurora column. Probably replacement, maybe not. 6, 5. Get the 5. Here we go. Elevator 2 is on a separate controller, but that one's locked out. It's for a single tenant. It's traction. I think this is a mod. I think both of these are. Other one's probably similar. This one's kind of weird in this elevator. Here at 5. Not sure where this goes. Back on the 1. Yeah, it's an old door truck. These definitely modernized older elevators. It's a basic thyssenkrupp cab. It's the tallest cab. It's a 2-speed door, but it's a small cab. You know, it's a call. thyssenkrupp motor, probably geared. Not sure when these were modded. I think maybe 2010 or something. Here back at 1. I think that's when this building was renovated. That's gonna be it.